Hey Simon, Simon here from Little Big Marketing. I can't believe I came across your business this morning and saw that. Thought I got to call him. Anyone with a name like that is going to be a cool guy. So anyway, thanks for watching, mate. If you could please just leave me some feedback at the end of the video, even if you're not interested in pursuing anything, that would be much appreciated. Thank you so much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at the back end of your website to see where you're currently ranking on Google now. And I'm going to share with you a few tips on how to go about ranking your website, and also I'm going to point out how your competitors, your top two competitors, are gaining, what sort of traffic they're gaining through their website, and give you a bit of an insight on how that might look to creating extra clients. So first up, we're going to look at the back end of your website. So this is a tool we use. It shows me everything about the back of your website, and what I want to do is point out that there's no organic keywords currently ranking on your website. So in other terms, Google looks for keywords which are any search phrase that someone might enter into Google looking for your service, usually along with a location tag for a service like yours. So cleaning company San Diego, something like that. And that would be on your website, something which you have on there already. But the next step is you need to go and get what's called backlinks and whatnot, which I'll go through in a minute. But right now you're not really ranking on Google in the top 10 pages at all, unfortunately. So from there, the three tips I wanted to share were content on your website, number one. Number two is I'm going to tell you a little bit more about those backlinks. And number three is citations. So as I scroll down the page, what I'm referring to with content is specifically words and images. Google likes to see at least 1,500 or 2,000 words on the home page, and it lets Google know what your website is, where you are, and that there's enough information for clients. It also allows you to get more of those keywords in there. So like if this here had cleaning service in La Mesa, that would become a keyword. And different things like that you can utilize to get more keywords onto your site. So it's really, really important. So that's content on your website, and what I've done is I've come across to Google here and just put in house cleaning San Diego as a keyword that someone might enter looking for your service. And I've chosen Merry Maids and I've chosen Tidy.com as your top two competitors. Now they are national sites, so if I have a look at the content on Merry Maids, I want to point out, number one is they don't have a whole lot of content on this page, but they're using other pages to rank it. This is just their San Diego service page, but that is still the page that you're competing with. So if you go ahead and get more content than these guys on your page, you'll start to beat these guys for step one. Now coming across the Tidy, they're a similar setup. So this is just the San Diego page, as you can see there, meaning that it's a lesser ranked page of their overall site. So this is what you're going to be competing with, and they've got no content on there whatsoever. So very easy to beat. Now the second part I want to point out is those backlinks. So you've currently got 24 backlinks, which are any link coming from one site to another via a clickable link, and they come from referring domains or referring websites. So you've essentially got, like 12 per referring domain, 12 links per referring domain. And what they do is they create trust or authority in Google's eyes coming back to your website. So if you can go out and get backlinks on other websites that link back to your website, it creates trust. And when you get enough of those and your site is considered trustworthy enough, Google will begin to rank you for those keywords and start picking up organic traffic. Organic traffic is how many times your website is clicked on per month without advertising. So it's in the organic search results here on the first page. So super important are backlinks. And I'll show you here the difference. So these guys got 100 backlinks coming from just 14 domains. They are using some of their domain rating here, which is really high because they've got a huge site to power this page. However, it's still beatable if you go ahead and get better quality backlinks than these ones here. They aren't all created equal. There are better quality ones than others. Now they're managing to rank on that page 107 keywords, and that's bringing them 671 clicks per month as a rolling average. Meaning, that's a huge traffic influx compared to what you've got there with 0. And if you were to pick up just 10% of those people, you're looking at an extra 67 clients a month. So it's a huge number. Coming across to Tidy.com, and I can see the same thing. They haven't got very many backlinks from referring domains on this specific page at all. You can see here I've focused on the San Diego page. However, their domain rating is being used completely to power this page, to rank this page. So they're ranking 61 keywords and getting 376 clicks per month. What that tells me is that you could take this spot very easily if you decided to. And this spot here for Merry Maids, you'd probably take that in a few months as well if you wanted to. So if you want to start looking at these sort of numbers, not hard to do at all. Okay, that was backlinks. Now number 3 is citations. Citations are anywhere your business name, number, and address is registered on any directory such as Home Advisor, Angie's List, Yelp, and all of those other different directories. And if you get more of those than these guys here, you'll make it into the top 3. The top 3 is crucial because no one ever clicks view all these days. And this map pack here is being utilized more and more and more by people searching for those location services, or local services I should say, meaning that this spot here, number 1, generally adds about 30% more clicks to what the top spot down here is getting on top of their in the organic search results here. So if you're getting 100 clicks, this is going to add roughly another 30. So if you're getting 600 clicks, you're getting another 90. Sorry, you're getting another, what's that, 180. So you know, it adds a lot of clicks, so it's really crucial to get into those. You also need to have a competitive amount of Google reviews, and your Google My Business needs to be filled out fully and correctly. So that's about all. They're the 3 main things you need to do to go and start getting this huge traffic. Now this is what I do, so if you are wanting to engage someone professionally to do that, please feel free to reach out to me and give me a call. Once again, I don't think you've forgotten, but my name is Simon from Little Big Marketing. My number is 760-688-2297. Otherwise, just reach out via the email. And like I said, if you wouldn't mind leaving me some feedback, if you could, even if you're not interested, that would be much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.